Are you looking for the best pour-over coffee makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pour-over coffee makers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Espro Bloom Pour-Over Brewing Kit. Espro manufactures a number of high-end coffee products, including French presses, cold brew makers, and, of course, pour-overs. Customers can purchase the Espro Bloom Pour-Over by itself or as part of this brewing kit that includes a coffee scoop, 50 paper filters, and a 20-ounce glass serving pot. Paper filters are not expressly needed with this pour-over, though, as the Bloom has 1,500 micro holes to work as a built-in filtration system. If you choose to brew without paper filters, the brand recommends using coarse ground beans. If you do use paper filters, which give an added cleanness to the coffee, use finely ground beans. One unique bonus of the Espro Bloom is that it brews extremely quickly when paper filters aren't used, around just 2 minutes. The brewing time with paper filters is on par with that of other pour-overs, however. The instructions that come with the kit don't mention cleaning, but the brand says the pour-over and serving pot are both dishwasher safe. The paper filters are surprisingly difficult to remove after brewing and can stick to the sides of the Bloom. As far as using the item goes, though, it's as simple as it gets. Place the pour-over on top of the serving pot or your favorite mug. Scoop grounds into the base or a paper filter, and pour hot water over the grounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gator Paperless Pour-Over Coffee Maker Set. For the majority of pour-over coffee makers, a reusable filter is a separate purchase, but Gator includes a stainless steel mesh filter with this pour-over, eliminating the need for paper ones. The brand also manages to keep the price low. For both of these reasons, the Gator pour-over is an excellent fit for beginners because there are no paper filters to fold and no big sunk cost if you end up preferring a different brew method down the line. It's worth mentioning that no mesh filter can completely prevent coffee grounds from sneaking into your cup the way that a paper filter can, but in testing, the Gator filter was highly effective at limiting sediment. One knock against the item, however, is that we found the taste and quality of the coffee subpar when using Gator's brewing instructions. It wasn't until using a ratio of 250 grams of water to 15 grams of coffee, which was used for all pour-overs we tested in our lab, that the coffee came out smooth and flavorful. A convenient detail is that the 14-ounce glass carafe has measurements on the sides to ensure precision when brewing. At number 3, we have the Chemex Funnex Coffee Maker. The Chemex Funnex is a compact alternative to the Chemex Classic series. While the latter is available in multiple sizes and additionally functions as a carafe, the Funnex is meant to be placed on top of a mug when brewing, like the majority of pour-overs. It's made for single servings of coffee instead of a day's worth of joe. One of the best details, though, is that the Funnex is designed to brew up to 15 ounces at once, so you can fill up an entire travel mug on the way to work. After trying the product, we found the coffee to be aromatic, flavorful, and dynamic, everything customers have come to know and expect from a Chemex brewing device. The brand's filters also eliminated any grit or sediment in our testing process, leading to a clean cup of coffee. That said, folding the filters and placing them inside the Funnex is more difficult than the setup process for other pour-overs that we tested, so this option may be better suited for people with a bit of coffee experience rather than those looking to try pour-overs for the first time. Keep in mind, too, that the filters can be difficult to find in stores, so you will likely need to order them online. The Funnex is reasonably priced and less expensive than the Chemex Classic series. The all-glass brewer can be placed in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Unfortunately, the brand does not cover damage or breakage. At number 2, we have the MiiR Pourigami Portable Pour-Over Coffee Dripper. This innovative, easy-to-transport coffee maker is comprised of nothing but 3 stainless steel panels. The pieces can be attached in seconds when it's time to brew and then detached and stored in a complimentary carrying case when you're on the go. The MiiR Pourigami is simple but highly functional, and it creates an intersection for coffee lovers and outdoors lovers to meet. Since the Pourigami is unlike any other brewing device, it took us a trial run to learn the setup process, including how to rest a paper filter inside the panels. After that, however, it proved easy to use. If you're really confused, the box has a QR code that links to an instructional video. It takes about 4 minutes to brew a full cup of coffee. This is on par with other pour-over coffee makers. But users need to pour slowly to ensure that the filter doesn't overfill and make a mess. The flavor is strong enough to perk you up and keep you warm when camping. We found cleanup expectedly simple, as a quick rinse gets the job done. The price is slightly more expensive than a standard pour-over, but it feels reasonable, especially considering how often outdoor gear is marked up. The Pourigami can certainly be used as a home brewing device, too, but we view it as a travel item first and foremost. And finally at number 1, we have the Chemex Classic Series Coffeemaker. The Chemex has long been synonymous with pour-over coffee. It's one of the most popular and recognizable coffee makers in general, and several members of the Spruce Eats team use the Chemex as a primary source of coffee at home. In fact, we've kept Chemex coffee makers for several years without issue. Unless the glass chips or breaks, which we've never experienced, they should ostensibly last forever. The main reason these brewers are so popular is that they're excellent at highlighting the different flavors in coffee beans. Whether it's notes of bright citrus or rich milk chocolate. Depending on the size of the Chemex, the brewing process can take several minutes, but the results are worth it. Cleaning is easy, too, as the Chemex is dishwasher safe once the wooden collar is removed. We recommend washing it by hand with a bottle brush if you don't want to put it in the dishwasher. The Chemex is available in a variety of sizes, including 3, 6, 8, and 10 cups. Which is unique for pour-overs, as the majority make just 1 cup at a time. Many coffee shops and grocery stores sell Chemex brewers and signature paper filters if you are looking to purchase in person. The price increases for larger capacity models, and even the cheapest model is more expensive than the average pour-over coffee maker, but it's not exorbitant. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.